Guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Tutorials, and in this video we will see how to install Postman in Windows 11 operating system. So let's start. First open your favorite browser and search for Postman and hit enter. Now here you will get the download Postman option, so you just need to click on this link and you will navigate to this download Postman page where we have option to download it for the Windows. So click on this and it will start downloading automatically. So it is and 147 MB file. So let's wait till download complete, then we'll see the installation process. We have completed the download. Now let's install. For that we just need to open this exe file. So I'm just clicking on this to install. So you can see it is installing. Now you will get this page where you need to sign up for free. So you can just sign up. I'm just currently closing this window. Now this is the workspace where you will do the API testing. So we have the home option. Here you can create a new account or log into the existing account. So currently we are doing without an account. So this is the Postman. Here the files you can create the new tabs or you can create a new files and you can edit view. Then we have the workspace option where you can create an account. Then we have the explore. Then the method, get method and post method we have. So this is and the API. Now we just need to sign up. So we'll click on sign up for free. Now it will get you to the one Google page where you just need to enter your email ID and password. So I'm entering my details. Then enter the username and create one password which should be strong. Here you can see it is showing the strength of your password, so it must be strong. Then click on verify you as a human and click on the create a free account. So there are some keys that we need to remember, that like username should not have any space like that. So it will show and the error message. So we have created. Now you just need to copy this token and you just need to go to the Postman and enter this token to here and click on sign in. So you just created your Postman account. Here you need to enter your name. So I'll enter my name and just select your role. I'm selecting as an analyst and click on continue. Now you have created your workspace to API testing using the Postman application. So here you can send and request, you can import any URL from here. There are REST API basis, integration testing basis, API documents. So you can create a collection from here. So there is lot of in Postman. We'll see in the next video.